How to draw an isometric table lamp. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and then draw an oval. Okay, and then duplicate it, moving a new layer down and make it bigger. And then connect two ovals with lines. Now it looks like a lamp head. Okay, then duplicate the small oval and move it, adjust it to the center. And duplicate a small oval again and drag it down to the bottom. That is for the lamp's base. Okay, and then duplicate the base again for making the base dimension. And then merge all the layers. Next, create a new layer and draw a lamp's leg. It's done.